There's a group of bike riders. Let's walk over there and talk to them. How y'all doing?
It's a 3x7.
I met y'all before, ain't I?
Yeah.
Yeah. Y'all not camera shy.
Last time we rode from here, we ran into you.
Yeah.
You got our picture then.
I did, made a video. When I say picture, it's moving 30 frames a second.
Then you can pick the one you want.
Yeah.
Okay.
Y'all have a good day.
All right, good to see you.
Huh?
Put it on Strava?
I put them on Strava.
What's the site?
What's
What's your name?
Buddy Huggins.
Buddy?
Like I'm your buddy, B-U-D-D-Y, Huggins, H-U-G-G-I-N-S. I love to hug pretty women. Now it's stuck in your brain forever.
There you go.
Y'all have a good trip.
Same. That's the ride.
Well, said hey to them. Look at the clouds. It's cloudy. I thought I was making a good time. Really did. I get here and it's 3.8. I just knew I was 14.5, somewhere like that. Dang. Sometimes you go fast and sometimes you don't. That's what it is. Oh, there they go riding out. Let's catch it. Look at that. Ain't that something? You could be out here riding a bicycle, getting in shape. Look at them. There they go. All right. That is a pretty truck. Look at that. What is that? AT4. It's got one of them big 6.2 liter V8. It's pretty. Sierra GMC. All the bells and all the whistles. Ain't much else to look at. I'm gonna get back on my bicycle and get on down the road. You see my blinking lights? Look at that. Ain't that a pretty bike? Got a lot of miles on that bike. Fixing to be 30,000 on just that bike right there. Well look, it's the Amish. I got a building project. I can come this way and watch them. Look at them. Passing that up there to their buddies. Look at that. They gonna get that deck down. They don't play. I'm pretty sure they're all Amish. Look at the ones they built already. Ain't that something? I've done been this way one time with a little group, 2 people, and but I didn't get nobody was working that day. I didn't know it was Amish building, but they got it going on. All right. Well, look, the Amish are working on this house, putting on a drip edge. Look at that. I only see 2 of them. All right. We'll see how much they get done. Look at that. He took one of them barricades and using it as a straight line to make a strike with. You gotta love it. Yeah, you're gonna make a straight line with that thing. When you need a line, just use a barricade. It'll work. It's pretty damn straight. Well, we do have people working. Look at that. Look at that. Burger King project. Day 2 that these people have been here. All right. I'm on my walk. So nobody accuse me of stalking these people because I'm walking. And I'm going to take pictures every time I can walk and do walk, come by here. Yeah. It's no trespassing. But I ain't going to be trespassing. I'm just... Wow, they got this done. I'm on the walking trail, and this is the path leading to the crossing of 65. Look at that. Maybe, it looked like it might be hard, but if it's not, I know where it is. I can walk up there to it. So I want to show you that. Ain't that beautiful? And people already walking the walking trail. Look at that. Zoom in. She was on her cell phone when I walked by watching a video. I told her, cut that cell phone off. All right. Well, it's good to see them use them orange safety caps. That keeps you from tripping and falling on there and get punctured by rebar. Evidently, there's going to be a retaining wall right through there. All right, let's go around the bend and see what we can see. Damn. There's one of them e-bikes. He's an e-bike rider. There he goes. Soon he'll be figuring out he can't ride the trail. You don't know that now. Well, that's curious where they notched that out, but these guys are so good they wouldn't have done it if it hadn't have been a purpose. That's in a couple of places. Look at that. Must serve a purpose. We'll find out. Well, I'm at the very top, and you can see eventually this will tie into going to see where those black cylinder tubes there. Well, they got them there and across the highway. Not exactly engineering-wise, not sure what the purpose is, but they're drilled. It's kind of like a caisson that's going to have rebar and concrete, and the black tubing stays there. I don't know. We'll find out as they build this thing. Cloudy day. Well, I'm gonna head back. Let's look down the highway one time. Look at all the traffic. It's like that all day long. Brad Pistow. That's a nice sign there. Well, that's the third person I've seen walking since I got on the trail. Look at that. It'll be full of walkers when we can go across the highway. Everybody will want to see that. All right.